Alright, here we go, everybody. We are going to run this $100 basically anywhere gift card for Chrissy. Here's the list. I already copied and pasted all 10 over. Trying to do this without a mouse kind of sucks. So we're going to go ahead and type live. Current time is 12:21, 12:21, 12:21 here on the random. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times with Jason, Jared, Jason, Nicholas for 3, John, Nicholas, Dana, and John for the last. Good luck, everybody. 7 times as always. We got Jason after 1, Nicholas, John, Jason, and Nicholas after 6. Current time is 12:22, 12:22, last and final good luck. Jason in the 3 spot. Verification code is FIHXMR. And we are done. Current time of 12:22, 12:22, and 12:22. Congratulations, Jason. Sorry about the wait. I don't know where all the video people are, but tag me if you guys need me. So there it is, verification, time, good to go.